So guys, as you can hear there, the engine's running very well. So that was what we've done in episode 1, or part 1 of the Mountfield restoration. Now we're going to go and give it a facelift. So yeah. So guys, that is the Mountfield finished. Now, it's been a little bit of a while since my last installment. I have done a few things on it. So, it's just here on a slab of concrete. Why do we have a slab of concrete here? It used to be actually an old well. It's not in use now, but we still have the slab. It's nice so I can actually, a bit of hard standing. As you can see there, I put in the black line. I just thought it'd be nice to put in, and I'm happy I did put it in. The whole way around. And it looks really well. Kind of separates, takes the bad luck off it. Yes, it is a bit dirty because I have been using it. I made sure to clean underneath, because these self-propelled lawnmowers, they have the suspension bar that runs underneath for the height, that can always clog up with grass. So to the back, what I had to do, I resprayed the bag. The same colour as the lawnmower. I ended up spraying all with new red paint, because it was half done, and I went, do you know what, it look 100% better with just a full coat of red paint. So I said, look, I'll just bite the bullet, masked everything up, sprayed it, job done. But I did give it a good scotch gritting before, and as you can see, it's very grassy under here. I had to put this inspection window in. Just when I started, I went, oh, and the grass started spewing out of here. This is an open patch, bit of mesh in there, but I'll just take off the bag and you can actually see what I've done. So this is a little inspection window. So you take this out. When you take it out, you gain access the belt, where it meets the. There is a bit of grass in there, but it's not too bad. Could be a lot worse, and I'll just make sure that always stays clean. But this came off the other deck, so I had to cut out that hole, and fits in lovely. That's that fitted in, top job, even though that's upside down. But anyway, it's fine. Underneath though, that's where what I've been working on today to finish off. Just move the bag so when the handlebars come down, they don't crush it. So as you can see, underneath I put in a new cover plate. I used its original, but then to the back it's all new bits of plastic, and it's worked okay. And then I am going to go ahead and just give this a good clean before I do put it in the shed. Get all that built up grass out from underneath the lawnmower. I do it every time I cut the lawns. And like, I know it seems, oh, you're doing it every time, but believe it or not, it doesn't. If you keep cleaning underneath, it will be only a small job, just quick. You always disconnect your spark plug, and even have your stopper thing engaged, and then you just go underneath there, clean it up, and then make sure to put back on your spark plug, and away you go again. So it's always good to keep them clean. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon, guys. I don't know about the lawnmower videos. I might have another one out soon, but I'm busy with other stuff at the moment, so stay tuned for that. Until then, goodbye, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.